85 on page 597. It asks us to prove this identity, another trig proof or trig verification. I think this one can be worked from either side. I don't know, and this one may look complex to you, but it really just, I mean, this is 1 over the tangent. This is 1 over the tangent of 2x, and the tangent of 2x is this over this. So I think this is really just you can work this from either side. I'm going to start with the left-hand side. Left-hand side is cotangent of 2x, which is 1 over the tangent of 2x, which is 1 over. Apply the double angle formula for the tangent of 2x. It is 2 tangent x over 1 minus tangent squared x. Take the top fraction, multiplied by the reciprocal of the bottom, you get 1 minus the tangent squared x over 2 tangent x. And I am done. So one looked kind of complex, but it was actually really pretty straightforward.